Hello, this is Victor B, and today I want to talk to you about inflation, recession, supply chain issues, high prices at the pump. What is going on? Now, you look at the financial media and you know what they tell you. Oh, yeah, if the Fed just raises the interest rates, everything will be fine. It's all about the Fed and what they could do about raising the interest rates. And that's going to make it all happen. But we know that that is not what's going on. We know there's something missing in that formula. I don't think that just increasing the interest rates are going to make everything better. What is really going on behind the scenes? Well, it's not really behind the scenes. It's really out there. It's in the news. The United States is basically sanctioning half the world, and that's and when you restrict trade and you restrict money and you restrict ships and you take people's ships away and things like that, what's going to happen? When McDonald's closes down almost 1,000 shops just to be behind the U.S. actions, well, when you restrict trade, you're going to restrict supply. When you restrict supply, the truth is we know that the real rule is supply and demand, and the Fed only has limited ability to control that. They can control interest rates, and it does help. It may slow down the economy enough to calm inflation down a little bit, but we know that is not going to be enough, and the recession is around the corner because of that, because we are hampering trade, we are restricting trade, and we're sanctioning countries that are twice the size of us, and countries like China, which has 4 times our population. This is really what's behind the scenes. Corporations, when you restrict trade, you have higher expenses, and when you have higher expenses, there's less profit, and when there's less profit, the companies that are represented in the stock market go down in value, because what was driving the prices up on those stocks is because their profits were going higher and higher and higher, and now what's going on is the exact opposite. So let me know what you think. If you have any comments, please, I'd love to hear them. And this is Victor B from B Financial. And anything you want to tell me, I'd love to listen to it, but this is my opinion. And like I said, it's not that the financial media doesn't give you half the news. It does give you half the news, but we don't get the whole picture that way. Thank you.